here I have plantain, so I just cut it in pieces, just peel it, and I'm going to boil it for about 20 minutes. How it is now. Okay, it needs a little longer, so this time I'm going to do 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Because the dough is a little different. I'm gonna get my oven to 400 degrees. Okay, it's ready 400 degrees. So I'm gonna have this ready. See how simple it is? This is a super simple recipe. I'm just learning how to do my thermomix. So this looks pretty good. They ended up super delicious. It's a little soft, but you know, if you wanted a different consistency, you can just add another half a cup of coconut. If you want even more, the consistency not as soft, you can add even 1 cup. But like this, it tastes so amazing. I will leave it like that, even though if it's pretty soft.